Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Audi A3 here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. If you do find the video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see some more useful content like this, subscribe to the channel. Right, so on this one, we're going to use the screen in the centre of the dash. From here, we're going to press the home button at the top right. Then we're going to go to car, then settings and service, then scroll down till you see tyre pressure loss indicator. So first, make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, and then you want to press store tyre pressures. Yes, store now. And that's it.